What if Salesforce could also be your POS system? With Kulturra, you can turn your CRM into a fully functional point of sale with no third-party POS hardware, no separate software, and no disconnect. Let's show you how. Why should you run your POS through Salesforce? Traditional point of sale systems are separate from your CRM. That means sales, payments, and customer data all live in different places, creating silos, duplication, and headaches. But when you have your POS in Salesforce, everything is in one spot. It's faster, cleaner, and built for scale. So how do you set it up? With a little app exchange magic, of course. By using our app called Kulturra, your team can accept POS payments directly inside Salesforce. Here's how it works. Connect a supported card reader or payment terminal to your Salesforce environment. When it's time to collect payment, simply open the record, an opportunity, case, or even a custom object. Tap, swipe, or insert the card using the reader, and Kulturra processes the payment instantly, and an email receipt is automatically sent. It works seamlessly with tap to pay, chip, and mobile wallets, just like any POS system. This is perfect for the following use cases. Field service teams. A tech finishes the job and collects payment on site with tap. Clinics and health centers. A front desk rep checks out a patient and processes payment right from their Salesforce screen. Showrooms and retail counters. Reps can close deals and collect payments instantly without leaving the CRM. Events and registrations. Collect at-the-door payments or on-the-spot renewals, automatically tied to attendee records. In all these examples, you're avoiding the hassle of syncing third-party POS tools and building a cleaner, faster experience for both your team and your customers. Using Salesforce as your POS system means no more double entry, no third-party reconciliation, and no guessing who paid what. All payments are logged in real time, linked to the right record, and visible to sales, service, and finance, right inside your CRM. Why juggle multiple systems when Salesforce can do it all? With Kulturra, you can turn your CRM into a mobile-friendly POS. Find us in App Exchange or contact us through the link in the description today.